Okay, get ready because Cadillac just unveiled something that's shaking up the electric vehicle world. Imagine a compact SUV that doesn't just replace the old but redefines the future of Cadillac. Enter the Cadillac Optiq, the game-changer you didn't see coming. Just announced, the Optiq isn't just Cadillac's entry into the electric scene, it's a full-on statement. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this vehicle could be the pivotal point for Cadillac's European expansion. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The Optiq, stepping in for the XT4, isn't just another compact SUV. With two new powertrain options, the dual-motor all-wheel drive model now boasts a whopping 440 horsepower and 498 pound-feet of torque. That's a serious upgrade from its predecessor. But the real kicker? It comes with a standard NACS charging port and a driving range between 280 and 300 miles. It's competitive, but there's a catch: the charging speed isn't quite luxury level, which kept it from being a finalist in some circles. Here's the thing, though. The interior is where the Optiq truly shines. With tweed-like fabrics, felt textures, and a bold use of white and silver, it's a visual treat. And while it lacks Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it compensates with a massive 33-inch digital display and familiar controls for things like steering wheel adjustments. This blend of modern and classic is making waves. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. The Optiq's quiet cabin, compatible with Dolby Atmos, offers a premium AKG audio system as standard. It's not just about looks, it's about the experience. And with a design that appeals to younger buyers, Cadillac is clearly aiming to shake off its older demographic image. Looking at the bigger picture, the Optiq represents Cadillac's serious push into the electric market, aligning with broader trends like the EV transition. With features like one-pedal driving and 3 years of Super Cruise, it's poised to compete fiercely in a crowded segment. But here's a bold prediction: the Optiq might just be the model that propels Cadillac into the forefront of the EV revolution. So, what do you think? Could the Optiq be the turning point for Cadillac? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down another exciting development in the auto world that you won't want to miss.